Artists gathered to show off their eclectic collection of art, attracting Londoners and people from across the country. Every year, the London Art Car Boot Fair is a much-awaited event appealing to art collectors and bargain hunters alike. Organizer of the event, Karen Ashton, told us what is new.
This year I think we've got a lot more new artists, a lot more younger artists that we've scoured the city for. So we've got Poppy Chancellor and Nina Fowler, and we've got Ben Ein for the first time.
Other artists wanted to create a bond with potential customers before parting away with their artwork.
£20 model paintings to be sold in 6 hours.
It's like a gift to the nation. It's almost like entry-level philanthropy.
We will only sell to people who we deem fit enough to buy one of these paintings at such great value.
One way to display your artwork is by wearing it, if you can.
I'm most known for my performance work, and so I like to make, I don't know, you would call it, I suppose you would call it making a statement, but I don't see that black is the new beige.
In the Canine Creative Corner, we met with 2.5-year-old Nanook, who was overwhelmed by his successful artwork.
You're a great artist.
So the idea when we get a dog is that through the medium of food, there is where you can choose different media. So you get charcoal, simple graphite for the minimalist dog, or a rainbow. And by eating and moving the bowl around, they create their artwork.
People were excited to attend the fair but couldn't hide their disappointment over artist Tracey Emin's absence. Known for My Bed and Everyone I Have Ever Slept With art installations, she was a highlight at last year's fair.
Last year was more original.
Tracey Emin was here last year.
Being very honest, a little bit disappointing. It was advertised that Tracey Emin's work is going to be just nothing, just books.
We had come to see Tracey Emin, but unfortunately she hasn't turned up this year.
Even if you didn't buy anything, you could leave the fair with more knowledge about celebrity pets.
This is the Celebrity Pet Quiz. This is the hardest quiz you will ever do in your life. George Clooney had a pot-bellied pig as a pet. How long did it live?
If you're wondering what the answer is, we'll spare you the wait. The answer is his pig, Max, lived for 18 years. This is Claudia Buzdoacă reporting from London.